One I Love by R.E.M. Super cool song, what, from like 1990 or maybe 89? Great song, and I'm gonna show it to you in under 3 minutes. Hope you're doing great. I'm Steve. Let's get to this thing. So we begin here in E minor with no capo, and I'll show you that intro part in a second, but let me give you the chords first. It goes E minor, you know, that rockin' intro to D major, E minor. Does it again, E minor, D major, back to E minor. When it goes into the verse, it goes E minor. This one goes out to D major, the one I love, like that. This one goes out D major, the one I left behind. And then it does this sort of walk up, going back to a D major, but you put your thumb on the second fret. It goes to G, G major, a simple prop, D major to Occupy My Time, C major. Now I'm playing a C major with those fingers on the 3rd fret, but you can do a C major to Occupy My Time. E minor goes out, D, the one I love, E minor. And then when it goes into the chorus, it just does that E minor, D major, E minor. But what makes it cool is all these little neat things, you know, these extra notes. So the beginning part does an open E string twice, then you go to the 3rd fret of that E string, then an open A string, and then an open D string. And then you hit the high E string. Put this finger, check this out, on the 3rd fret of that B string and slide it up to the 5th fret and hit that open E string and then hit an E minor. So pretty cool. And then when it does the other parts, you can explode with some nice strumming and leave that D, you know, these 2 notes on the 3rd fret of that E and the B string. C, D, E minor, you know, D. And you can throw these in every once in a while if you want to. Like that. E, open E, 3rd fret of that E string, open A string, and then E minor. And then to really get R.E.M. and Peter Buck, take your finger, play some harmonics, just lay it on the 12th fret, go like that, or on the 7th fret. A lot of fun right there. It's really not that hard, just 3 or 4 chords and a few extra notes if you want to learn those to really ramp it up and take it to another level. Let me know what you think in the comments, hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.